Endosulfan is an off-patent organochlorine insecticide that is being phased out globally. It became a highly controversial agrochemical due to its acute toxicity, potential for bioaccumulation, and role as an endocrine disruptor. Its IUPAC ID is 678910 10-hexachloro 155A699A hexahydro 69-methano 243 benzodioxazepine 3 oxide. Its formula is C9H6Cl6O3S and its molar mass is about 406.93 gram per mole. Now let's discuss about the background to the incident in Kerala. The Endosulfan tragedy in Kerala is regarded as one of the worst pesticide disasters in history, and it is highly attributed to pesticide-dominated agriculture and green revolution technologies. The incident occurred in Kasaragod districts where the deadly pesticide was aerially sprayed on cashew plantations for a period of 25 years. The aerial spraying method is assumed to be recommended for the low cost, and it was estimated that one day of aerial spraying is equivalent to saving 500 days of individual work. Now let's discuss the impact on human health. The Endosulfan tragedy in Kerala resulted in the death of at least 4,000 people and also induced chronic health ailments in more than 10,000 residents of the affected area. Exposure to endosulfan through food, water, air, or soil resulted in high incidence of neurological complications as well as congenital and reproductive abnormalities among the affected people. Endocrine disruption reported in various studies revealed the potential health implications in future generations. People in the affected area also suffered from severe health implications for children. The worst affected group in the disaster were children and infants who had suffered from permanent disability and disfigurement. Most of them were having severely bruised thin legs and knees, large head with an extremely feeble body. The majority of the victims exhibited congenital anomalies, physical deformities, mental retardation, cerebral palsy, etc. According to survey reports, the majority of the workers in the cashew plantations were not provided with proper safety precautions, that is, chemical resistant footwear, gloves, headgear, and respirator during preparation, mixing, and application of pesticides. These workers were identified with skin diseases, enlargement of lymph nodes, chronic asthma, and even death by cancer. The situation was agitated by the lack of regular medical checkups and the unavailability of medical attention when prompt. Now let's check what actions taken by our government. Although several protests and movements were conducted in Kerala state against the use of endosulfan in the light of its emerging toxic effects since 1980s, the first legal initiative was witnessed in 1998 that is led to a district level ban of endosulfan in Kasaragod in 2001. The same year witnessed the government of Kerala suspending endosulfan use in response to strong public demands, which was the first instance of state level action on pesticide regulation in the country. And hence, the Pesticide Manufacturers and Formulators Association of India (PMFAI) immediately challenged the suspension. However, Kerala High Court ordered a temporary ban on endosulfan use in the year 2005 against the interests of PMFAL. Later, the evidence of endosulfan residue in water samples observed during the temporary ban period of Kerala triggered Supreme Court to impose a nationwide ban.